Shocking names used for toilet around the world. How do you ask, where's the toilet? Imagine this. You're strolling through the streets of Paris, hiking in the mountains of Japan, or taking a walk in a bustling market in Turkey. Everything is perfect until nature calls. Now you're faced with this universal question every traveler asks. Where's the toilet? So how do you, as a global traveler, ask the age-old question, where's the toilet? In a way that's understood. That's exactly what we are going to figure out in this video. Get ready to travel the world one toilet call at a time. Trust me, toilet talk doesn't have to be awkward. Toilets are called by so many different names around the world, and each one has its own charm, culture, and story behind it. In the UK, it's the loo, simple and quirky. Hop over to France and you'll be looking for the toilette. In Greece, they call it the WC, short for water closet. While in the US, it's all about the restroom or bathroom, the sophisticated stuff. Travel further east and you'll find yourself asking for the toire in Japan or the washroom in Canada. And in Australia, don't be surprised if someone points you to the dunny. Let's learn the common names used for toilet globally. WC, or water closet, widely recognized across Europe and parts of Asia. Lavatory is again a common word that is used, which is formal, used on flights and in some English-speaking regions. Washroom is pretty common in Canada and some formal settings. Restroom is in US and some international airports. Here's a fun list of how people in different countries commonly refer to toilets. Believe me, you'll find out some amazing terms today, and you could use it to surprise some people around you by using these new unique words. Let's start with the mundane stuff. In United States, it's called restroom or bathroom or ladies' room or men's room when it is gender specific. Canada, it's just boring. Washroom, boring. Europe, it's WC, water closet, and it's the same everywhere. You go to Greece, Sweden, Denmark, everywhere. Like, I've been to these places and that's why the names are on there. WC is what is written everywhere. And if you do not know this in advance, you'd be probably looking for a toilet standing right beneath a WC. So it's better to know. In France, it is called toilette, but it is spelled differently if you look at the spelling. In Italy, it is bagno or WC, but it is written with a G. Bagno, it's pronounced as bagno, which I have learned from Google. I've not been to Italy. Okay, next is Spain, and in Spain it is el inodoro, and same goes for Argentina, inodoro. A toilet in Russia is toilet. Oh, interesting spelling by the way. Toilet. It feels really classy if you twist your tongue like that. Toilet. And by the way, bathroom in Russia is vanya with a stress on the first letter A. And you better make yourself clear about what you want when asking, because in many Russian homes, these are two separate rooms. India, we all know. Toilet, washroom, loo if it is informal, and latrine. Latrine. But here's a fun fact. If you look at the pronunciation that is given by British or Americans, it is latrine. But in India, we've made it into latrine. So latrine. Kuch ajeeb lagta hai. Let's just call it latrine. Latrine is the common word in rural areas of India. Let's come to China now. In China, it is suswa. Toilet in China. Next, we come to Japan, and I kind of like this word. It's kind of growing on me. Toire. It's Japanese for toilet. In South Korea, look at this word. Hwajangshil. It's not sil, it's shil. Hwajangshil. In Thailand, it is hongnam. Australia, dunny. It's informal and is also used in rural parts. In United Arab Emirates, it's toilet or WC. In Saudi Arabia or Egypt, it is mirhat. Or you could also call it hammam. In Brazil, again, very interesting, banheiro. Did you enjoy this video? Next time you travel, don't just pack your bags. Pack these phrases and insights as well. And if you found this video helpful or even a little entertaining, don't forget to like, share with your friends, and subscribe for more super educational stuff. Yeah, educational. No, it's actually educational if you look at it that way. Now, go out there and explore the world confidently, restrooms and all. See you in the next video. Bye-bye. ऐसे शूट कर दूँ ऐसे। हम तो हैं कबूतर, दो पहिए का एक स्कूटर जिंदगी, जो ढके लो तो चले, किस्मत की है कड़की, रोटी कपड़ा और लड़की तीनों ही।
नहीं पढ़ी तो रोटी कपड़ा और मकान।
लड़की